The final keyword in C++ for Unreal Engine can be used in two ways. First, you can use it in combination with a class. This prevents that a class can be extended further by inheriting from it. To make a class final, you have to add the final keyword after the class name. And now, if you try to inherit from this class, you will get an error by the compiler. The other way you can use the final keyword is in combination with a virtual function. Here it has a similar functionality, namely it prevents you from overriding this function in child classes. To make a function final, you have to add the final keyword at the end of the function declaration. Same as before, if you try to override this function in a child class, you will get an error by the compiler. That tells you that this function cannot be overridden. Now, you still might ask yourself why you want to make a class of function final. Using the final keyword clearly marks your intentions and can prevent bugs or unwanted behavior down the line. Let's assume you create a plugin. Here you could use the final keyword to indicate to a new user of your plugin that you don't want a certain class to be extended or a function to be overridden, since otherwise there might be a chance of conflicts or unwanted behavior in other parts of your plugin. However, if you use the final keyword for a blueprintable class, you will see that you can still create a blueprint based on this class. This can happen if your parent class has a blueprintable specifier. So, if you also want to prevent that a blueprint can be created based on this class, you have to add the not blueprintable specifier to your uClass macro. Overall, you don't have to use the final keyword. However, in certain scenarios it can be helpful to maintain the integrity of your code. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine C++ content.